I want to check what my RPMs are at like 60, 65, 70 mile an hour since I changed these to 16 gauge sliders. Next we're 65 mile an hour through here, which will be about 70 on this thing because the speedometer's off. So 70 indicated. We're running about 6,800 RPM. I sped up a little too much though. Back off some. Yeah, 70's running about 6,400, somewhere in there. I'll roll up to 80 and get passed by Lincoln. We're doing right at 7 grand. It sure ain't got a lack for power. It's set up there at 75 all day long. We're at about 50 mile an hour. We're at around 5,000 RPM. So it's more or less 1,000 RPM for every 10 mile an hour indicated.